Yellow channel, how do you stay so much more? Bienvenidos al canal del Vestiquillo, how do you stay so much más? For the guys that like these neons, yeah, these going on. I don't like them. They already got these coming out. The Datsun, Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Honda, Nissan, and custom Acura. So it's a lot of Nissan and this. But Toyota Celica, that's a lot of money. Not really into it. You never know. Look at that one too. Mitsubishi, baby's crying. Why, I don't know. And another one here. Which one is this? Nissan. See the 300 Nissan. And then Acura. Look at that. Oh, I saw that. Got the other ones in there. I'm not interested in those. No me gustan estos. No me gustan, pero los gustos se rompen géneros. Y aquí está todo esto, miren. Renault Corvette. Get these up. This mystery ones. What they have. Eso es lo que tienen. Miren. Aquí está una acomodando, hay mucho arriba también. Pero aquí están todos los matchbacks. Todos los matchbacks. Quite a few. Hay muchos. Miren. Aquí, the monster trucks. Getting closer, you can see. Un poquito más cerca, para que lo vean. Yeah, Walmart. Oh, esta se ve bien. I think I'm gonna take this one. I didn't see it. I didn't realize it. Yeah, this one is coming with me. I'm gonna take this one. Silverado. Yeah, I'm taking this one. You know that I like trucks, so this is gonna be. This one's going with me. Don't see any more. That looks good too. Para el Silverado, it looks even better. And let's see, this one's back. Look at that. Huh. Monster trucks. Better. There's another Silverado in the back. But I'm taking both. I'm gonna take both. It's a pretty good deal. This is it. Un saludo, un abrazo. Hasta pronto. Bye bye. Adiós.